After making this separation, above a bit smaller and below little bigger, now I am drawing a mountain here. Here it must be little bigger to smaller, and here again little bigger, like this. This way we have to draw the mountain. You can see how line is going this way, again it must be little bigger over here. After drawing that, now we have to draw the land part of the scenery. Here the land part, this is one line, and here from here another line, like this. This is the land part of the scenery. After making this, here we are going to draw some trees very far. Some are smaller, some are bigger, like this we have to draw trees. After drawing trees, the same way here lightly you draw the reflection of the tree. Same size, this how you did here, we have to do like that, and how it is we have to do like that. This one, this one, this one, this one. Just try to match the outline in reflection. After drawing this, here mountain reflection I am going to draw by leaving thin gap between this line and reflection. Here I am drawing reflection of the mountain. This way I did the mountain reflection. After here I am drawing reflection of the grass and trees. Trees will come over here, so that tree reflection we have to draw. Here trees I am drawing like this. Some are smaller, some are bigger, like this drawing, and this reflection we have to draw here. Like this way we have to draw the outline of the scenery. Okay students, first mountains, then this land part, after trees, and then reflections. After drawing this, here you show some grass area, like some small plants and grass is over here. Even this side also you have to draw like that. This way you have to draw the lines. You have to observe in which angle I did these sharp edges. I did the sharp edges to this angle, to this angle. Don't show sharp edges to this angle, or don't show sharp edges to this angle. These sharp edges should show this angle, and these sharp edges should show this angle. Check the direction of this sharp edges. After making these outlines, now I am going to give sketch outline only for this above part and this grass, not to the reflection. Don't outline to the reflection, just give outline to this mountain and trees and here to this trees, and here to this land, and here to this separation, here one small stroke you give, and now to this grass, even to this grass also, like this. Main thing you have to observe how much space I left for the sky and how much space I occupy to this mountain and this sky part. This space how much I took and this space how much I took. This is very broader than this space, that you have to take care, as well as you should leave sky portion, that is very important. After that, here I did here mountain between this trees, like this. Okay, this is done, and just you have to give separation to these trees and this mountain like this way. This is the outline. Now we have to color with the oil pastels from sky. We have to start from the sky. Now first I am taking dark brown and orange and lemon yellow, these three colors, dark brown, orange, lemon yellow I am taking. First I am filling dark brown at the edges, like this, just little bit, and this portion you have to leave. Like this way, and here neatly you have to fill very darkly, you have to fill this portion. After doing this, use orange and first you blend with this dark brown, this way you have to blend, and some areas you leave white portions. And here some orange color in down area, just do like this. This way. After doing that, Now use yellow color and blend with the orange and do like this. These gaps and here down. Everywhere do with the yellow color. Like this. Fill this entire portion with the yellow without leaving white gaps. Neatly how to fill the yellow color. After filling this, here if you find any white gaps, you just blend with the orange in the dark brown. If you find any white gaps in the dark brown, blend with the orange. If you find any white gaps in the orange, blend with the yellow. Like that you have to fill up the gaps. This way our sky pot is done. Now same way we have to do the water area also. This water area and here first yellow will come, here yellow is down and here yellow will be here and next orange, next dark browns will come. That way we have to do even the water area also. First you finish this, some area is left. Okay, you finish this part and now you can start water. First we have to start from here with dark brown, filling dark brown here down almost this much area. I am filling dark brown like this much area I am filling dark brown and above portion I am leaving white to fill orange and yellow. Now this dark brown area just I am filling like this. And here this place also I am filling like this. Now some areas I left white gaps to cover with the orange. You have to apply brown like this. This way only you have to apply. You should not use different angles. Here also you have to use sleeping strokes. Here also sleeping horizontal strokes. After filling that, I am using orange and filling where white gaps are there. Same angle you have to use. Don't do in different direction. You must fill orange on brown where you applied, and middle of these gaps is must. After filling this orange, and remaining portions you fill with the yellow color. Using lemon yellow, remaining portions you fill like this. This way, this water area we have to fill up. Even this trees outlines in the reflection also you can fill. This way we have to fill up the water area. After filling this water and sky part, we have to do the now mountains, trees, all those. I am using sap green and dark blue for the mountains. Sap green and dark blue I am using first, then I use this cerulean blue. I am using sap green some areas, filling sap green, the same sap green here. After that, using dark blue and filling this sap green and dark green together. Some areas I am leaving white as it is. Now filling with same color here to this mountain also, the reflection to doing it. Now taking cerulean blue and filling the entire mountain with this color to show different tones in the mountain. Like this. This mountain is very far from us, so that these mountain colors we have to make little duller. How we can make duller? These colors looking very bright colors, we have to make dull. How we can make these colors is using gray color. We can make these colors dull. This way I am using gray color now. Finally on the mountains, to make this mountain little dull. This way you will get some effects in the mountain in the middle, kind of this lightings also. It looks very far. Some trees and bushes are there on the mountain. So gray color is very useful when you want to show like far away objects. Here also I am filling gray color in the reflection. Like this. This way, this land part, this mountain and this water area is completed. Now I am going to do this greenery and this greenery also. Now to make these greeneries I am using black and sap green, taking black color and sap green. First I am filling black color to the trees, some areas. Very thin edges you have to make. And here remaining portions we have to fill up with the sap green. Don't touch the chart paper with your fingers, just your oil pastel only should touch the chart. This way this greenery we have to do. Here also same way, first we have to apply black sub area and next we have to fill up with the sap green like this. After filling this, here this reflection also we have to do same way, first black. Don't forget, here on the outline we applied color, but here on the outline we didn't apply the background color. Here we applied the yellow, but here we didn't apply the yellow color on these trees, because the reflections should become little duller than natural objects. So that I applied yellow, again I am doing color on this way using sap green and black. Here the starting little dark you have to make like this. This way we have done this reflection. Now here also you can do some trees and this reflection you can do here. Now to this same here we have to do reflections with the black and using sap greens. This black color using sap green we have to make these reflections. Here reflections are smaller, here little bigger we have to make. Blend with the sap green like this. After making it, now I am going to do this greenery using dark green and light greens. These two greens I am using with this little black also. Here I am doing some black lightly, very lightly I am using like this, very lightly this black color I am using. After this, on this some dark greens here and here and at the edges like this, and this I am using now light green this way. Doing some light green on this. This way, and on this yellow color I am using to make some bright areas. This way I did these colors. Now same here also I am going to do greenery, dark green, little black and light green. First black I am doing lightly, here and here, and this I am using dark green, here also I am using some dark green. Now next with the light green I am blending it. And here also with light green. Blending it. Next, here this leftover places I am filling with the dark brown. This part, and even this part, every leftover space I am filling with the dark green, dark brown. Here I am using dark brown, here also. Now just I am going to finish this with the small touch ups. Here I am keeping with the black some thin strokes in the water like this. And here some dark color down of this greenery. Here also some dark color down of this scenery. Like this. Now take pencil and give some sharp edges to these trees. This way we have to complete the scenery using colors with the oil pastels. Okay, now just touch with the earbuds where you find white gaps, just fill with the earbud with the cover with the earbuds like this. If you find any white gaps, you can cover these white gaps with the earbud. This way all white gaps you cover with the earbud. Simply like this. Now your scenery is ready. Okay students, try few more sceneries with these techniques. Okay, all the best.